Charu mean with like a to give something for the bad spirits so they gonna be go away from this one.
Okay, that was the situation in the land. Mr. Wayan from Kori Dewata Karya has held a ceremony as usual, ngeruak, before we start the project to get rid of all the bad spirit and make the place for the good spirit to stay there and maintains everything to be safety, healthy and good progress in the field. That's the thing that we do for the ngeruak ceremony. And now, let's see how the progress in the field, the building progress for the excavation, for the base ground foundation and the structure. Let's go. The challenging thing that we face here for the location for this project is about the access. We have two access, one only for the scooter and one that can be accessible with a car or truck. Because it's a private road, the big one, and the road that we get by purchasing this land is for Mr. Yuri and Mrs. Josine is only for the scooter. But it's good that Mr. Wayan from Kori Dewata Karya has negotiated with the owner of the access that can be used the access for building progress and repairing all the material. Because if we can't get the access, that's going to be a big problem. But it's already clear, and as you can see, all the progress, all the team there has been discussed together. Before we start, we have done the topography, like stake down, to stake out, to take all the point for the foundation as exactly as it is on the drawing. That's going to be good. And we put the plastic membrane already. We use many setup that going to make the building maximize with the structure strength. That's the point. So I think everything already done very well from Kori Dewata Karya team, and our team also. Yogi has come there with other team to discuss everything about the design. So everything is going good, everyone. And the good thing is, I think before the rainy season start, the progress is already goes to the roof part, and this is going to be the best thing that we can get, because if it rains, it's gonna be a problem in building progress. We can still progress, but it's gonna be quite slow. And now let's see how we goes with the top structure. We're going to put the casting there, to put the concrete on the top before we goes with the roof part. Let's see. Okay, I think that's it for this part of the video, the second part of project for Mr. Yuri and Mrs. Josine. I'm very happy with the progress that the team has been achieved in the field. All the structure part on the ground, on the body of the building, the pool part has been done. We just need to finalize the roof part and goes with the finishing progress. This is gonna take time later, because in the structure part we can go fast, we put everything, but for sure in the finishing part we need to be careful, pay attention and details. This is gonna take more time, but I'm very sure the result will be as good as we do from the previous project and many projects that we have done with Kori Dewata Karya. So that's it everyone. Let's check in the next video how the finishing progress and the roof part began in the project. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in our channel Gauri Art Division Studio. Bye bye.